is episode 5 of Home Lab Networking, and today I'm going to be explaining very briefly on what DNS is and how it works. So DNS stands for Domain Name Server. Every time you search something on the internet using your browser, the browser needs to know the IP address of that link that you clicked. It does this by going back to the DNS server, which is the domain name system, which is like a book of addresses, and then it searches the IP address that matches the link that you clicked. So this process starts by the DNS request that goes to the recursive name server, which is normally operated by your ISP. But if you're into IT and home labs, you know you can change that to any public DNS server like Google or OpenDNS. If your ISP has issues, and by issues I mean like it can be very slow using the default recursive name server. So if you change it to a public one, normally you can get a faster connection when browsing. So after that, your request is sent off to the domain server. So the ending of the domain like .com or .net or all the other endings for your URL. And then once it matches that, it goes back to the name server, which then matches the IP address of the link that you clicked. Once that process has completed, all the information that has been requested by clicking that link gets sent back to your computer from all the domain servers and name servers, and then proceeds to the website you clicked that shows on the end user screen. And this process happens in a matter of seconds. For future though, your computer does store this information of this website on the system, so next time you visit that website, it's there and it loads instantly. The only issue with that is if the IP address changes, that you'll get errors trying to load that website off the old IP address. So you'll have to go to your computer and clear the cache of it, so you get a new IP address of that website. Thank you for watching, guys. My name is AJ from Home Lab Networks, and we'll see you in the next video.